Hi everybody, and welcome to today's Dieselducy, Dieselducy.com padlock demonstration. Today's padlock is an exciting one indeed. Look, it is a Wordlock combination lock, and it came from the Schnucks on Arsenal Road or Street or whatever. And today, I am going to demonstrate it for you right here on camera. Before we take it out, we're actually going to look at the packaging it came in. This packaging is so exciting. Use words, not numbers. I think we paid like, how much did I pay for this lock?
Like $7.
I paid $7 for this lock, and it's pink. And here's the back of the package. Pause this if you want to read it. It's made in China, Wordlock.com. Let's see here. It says, your combination is inside. Let's see what the combination is. Oh, and I just dropped it. Here we go. Let's see here. Oh, this is cheap. Okay, your combination. Wow. Let me see if I can take it all out of the package here. What is the combination? Let's see here. This is awkward. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at this. The combination comes on this cute little card. Look at this. Focus. Your combination is TMA. I guess I will never use this lock because I just showed the whole world the combination. And there is the instructions. Remove the tag and keep it in a safe place because we don't want anyone to know the combination to my Wordlock now. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get this thing out of the box. Let's see here. Do we have anything to cut this with? Can you hold the camera?
I have a budgie.
Oh, I need to get this out of the package.
Alright, let me see the camera.
Alright, let's just rip this out of the package like this. 1, 2. Okay, well, we got the packaging off the lock. So let us open the lock for the first time. Watch this. Let's stop on T, go through T once, stop on M, and then go to A. And let's see if it opens. It opened! Yay! And I gotta get this thing off. Now we can actually do the lock the way this thing feels cheap. Let's see here. Let's try it again. T. Go through T once, stop on M, and then go back to A. Wow, the paint's already starting to come off it. Actually, no, that's how it's supposed to be. This thing is hard to open, but all in all, for $7, this is a gimmick padlock. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's Dieselducy.com padlock demonstration. And there goes the bird.